In this video, I'm going to give you the 9 systems to scale fast or even faster if you're already growing. And here's what often isn't talked about: how to actually scale a 6-figure business. You can have the perfect strategy, a proven funnel, a validated offer, and still hit the same revenue ceiling again and again. You see, I've built 2 multi-million-dollar companies, and I've been doing this for nearly 4 decades. And 10 years ago, I was stuck in my next venture between 10K to 20K months. And month after month, no matter how hard I worked, not because I didn't know what to do, but because I actually couldn't see what I couldn't see. The invisible obstacles are both external and internal. We're actually blocking everything I tried to build. So I did what any desperate entrepreneur does, and I threw money at the problem. $26,000 later, I learned one of the most expensive lessons of my entire career. But that failure is actually what led me to the 9 systems that took me from inconsistent 10 to 20K months to 80 to 100K months in 60 days. Those 9 systems, they've driven every multi-million-dollar company I've built or coached since. And today, I'm gonna show you exactly what they are and why most entrepreneurs still don't have them. You see, most entrepreneurs think that their revenue problem is actually external. They think it's about having the wrong audience, the wrong messaging, the wrong platform. So they do what I did, and they buy yet another course or hire another consultant or launch another funnel. But here's the uncomfortable truth that I discovered after burning through 26K. Your revenue ceiling actually has 2 sides. You see, side 1, the internal blocks, that's your money stories from your childhood, your employee mindset, your fear of being wrong, your fear of being seen, your fear of being an imposter. These aren't just mindset issues. They're invisible governors on your revenue. I had a client who couldn't charge more than 2K when she started working with me without physically feeling sick. And when we trace this back to what her mother had said when she was little, that people like us don't make that kind of money. But once she saw it, we actually broke that spell. She 10x'd her revenue in 60 days. The side 2 is the external systems or the lack of them. So even if you clear on your internal blocks and you don't have the right systems to scale, you can still work 60-hour weeks for 10K to 20K months. You see, you will end up being the bottleneck. You will scale yourself straight into burnout. And here's the truth that cost me 20K to learn. You can't fix one side of your revenue ceiling without actually fixing the other. Clear the internal blocks, great, but without the external systems, you'll just cap yourself out at a higher level of chaos. Build the external systems, amazing, but if you don't believe you deserve the results, you will sabotage them. You see, most coaches and programs only address one side, and so they'll give you systems without addressing internal blocks, or they'll give you mindset without anything concrete to actually go and implement. That's why you keep hitting the same ceilings. Most entrepreneurs think their ceiling is external, but there's always an internal ceiling, and internal and external are 2 sides of the same bottleneck. Once I saw this changed everything for me. Once I could see both sides needed to be addressed, everything clicked. So here's the key. There is an exact science to scaling fast or even faster if you're already growing. Here are the 9 systems I promised you. System 1, you need one clear, scalable offer, the offer you're gonna scale to your next revenue level. No more menu, no more fragmentation, one scalable path forward. System 2, pricing and positioning that actually support your revenue goal. This is going to turn your revenue target into real math, not a miracle. Pricing that makes scaling inevitable instead of accidental. System 3 is all about messaging and pre-qualifying buyers. Message that repels the dabblers and attracts people who are actually ready to invest. This kind of messaging is what makes buyers say, oh my gosh, that's me. I need this. System 4 is having a predictable lead gen system, a daily 60 to 90 30-minute routine that brings in qualified leads without you needing to try to go viral and without being chained to content all day. System 5 is a sales process that actually converts. A simple sales process that turns conversations into clients without pressure, without performing, without pretending to be someone you're not. System 6 is all about delivering a scalable client delivery fulfillment. This creates consistent client results without you having to reinvent the wheel and without you becoming the bottleneck. System 7 is all about a leverage plan for higher profits. This is where we add more leverage that increases a profit per client. So you make more per client without needing more people. And system 8 is about you simplifying your business operating system. The 5 numbers that matter, the systems your team can actually run, and the clarity that stops you from constantly having to put out fires. System 9 is about you having a clear 60-day execution roadmap, an exact data-driven plan with specific daily actions that are necessary, where you implement, integrate, and scale so that these systems don't die in your Google Drive folder or your notebook. Now, here's where most people get stuck, right? They'll watch a video like this and they'll nod along and maybe even take some notes. And then they try to go and figure it all out on these 9 systems on their own. So they'll spend 6-9 months Googling, pricing, trying to piece everything together, making it all make sense, making the same mistakes I made because they're focused on one side, right? They work on mindset, but they never build the systems, or they build the systems, but they never clear the internal blocks that ends up sabotaging them. So here's what happens when you address both sides of your revenue ceiling. So instead of working 60-hour weeks for 10K to 20K months and hitting the same ceiling every time you try to scale, sabotaging yourself right before you break through, you actually start scaling to 100K plus while working less, making decisions from curiosity, not fear, building systems that multiply your results consistently and predictably. Like Stacy, who'd been stuck at 250 for 12 years, not because she wasn't talented, but because she was trapped in her beliefs. Internally, she believed, I'm just a small local business owner. Like, who am I to charge more? Externally, her business was actually missing the core systems. So she had no clear scalable offer, no leverage play, and she was spending 60% of her time on busy work instead of profit generating work. Once we dissolved this internal ceiling and installed the right external systems, her signature offer, her pricing, and her leverage plan, she scaled from 20K months to 80K plus months fast. Not because she worked harder, but because she finally removed the internal blocks and built the right systems that allowed her to grow. So if anything I've shared today is really resonating with you, if you're stuck at a revenue ceiling and you know in your bones, it's not about working harder, working longer, or sacrificing more. If you're done with choppy growth and you're ready for predictable scale, if you're tired of the one-sided solutions, I have an invitation for you. I'm running a 9-day scale sprint right now. And here's how it works. The sprint is not more random tactics. It's not about inspiration, and it's not about more theory. We're building 9 core systems that I just shared in this video. 1 scalable offer, pricing and positioning, messaging that attracts pre-qualified buyers, a predictable lead generation system, a sales system that converts, scalable client delivery, a leverage plan for higher profit, and your simple business operating system. And lastly, your customized 60-day execution roadmap. Every day, we're solving one bottleneck and you're building a minimum of 1 asset. In other words, we show you the biggest constraint at each level of scale and resolve it. And to ensure that you address both sides of your revenue ceiling, it also comes with your very own one-to-one customized 60-day scale plan call. We give you the right systems and how to clear your specific internal blocks. So, here's your decision. You can keep doing what you've always been doing, hitting the same ceiling, wondering why nothing is actually changing, or you can join us, Build all 9 systems in 9 days and walk away with a complete 1 million ready implementation roadmap that you can execute in the next 60 days. And by the way, this also includes full implementation vault, the templates, the calculators, the AI prompts, the tools, the spreadsheets, and the scripts to make this faster, easier, more convenient, and fail-proof for you. The link to join is in the description below so that by tonight, you'll already know exactly where your biggest bottleneck has been blindsiding you and what specifically to do to fix it fast. And in the 9 days, you're gonna have the exact systems most founders spend months or even years trying to build that most never do, but you will. Sign up now and I'll show you the shortest distance between where you are and where you wanna be. I'll see you inside the 9-day scale sprint.